National Weather Service has issued Special Marine Watch number 420, effective until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. This watch includes the following marine locations, including inner waters from Point Muga to San Mateo Point, California including Santa Catalina and Anicrapa Islands. Remember, a special marine watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including waterspouts, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.